Write and explain the specific rules for each valid figure. So here we only have to write the rules. So figure number 1, then rules of figure number 2, 3, 4. Next question is, what is hypothesis? Write and explain the different kinds of hypothesis and state the condition for the good hypothesis. So hypothesis is an important stage in scientific investigation. A tentative suggestion advanced to explain the observed facts is called hypothesis. So we may define hypothesis as a tentative supposition which is put forward for explaining the facts that cannot be understood without it. So in that, the kinds of hypotheses are: Stebbing classifies hypotheses as explanatory, descriptive, analogical, ad hoc, and working. Explanatory means an explanatory hypothesis is advanced to explain the data of observation. Explanation is required when the observed facts have become a problem. The nature of explanation is in two cases would refer the hypothesis which explain an individual fact or event is sometimes called hypothesis concerning agent, and a hypothesis which explains a class of facts is sometimes called the hypothesis concerning law. Next is descriptive hypothesis. Sometimes scientists aim at finding a suitable description for a phenomenon. This happens when the phenomenon is of a great complexity. An accurate description would be a help towards finding explanation for it. A descriptive hypothesis symbolizes the connection between the different elements of a phenomenon. Analogical hypothesis, it explains a phenomenon or a set of phenomena by showing its similarity to some other phenomenon or a set of phenomenon. Ether hypothesis is an apt example of analogical hypothesis. Then ad hoc, scientists put forward a special hypothesis which explains the exception to the theory. Such hypothesis is called ad hoc hypothesis. Ad hoc hypothesis has no independent evidence in its support. Working hypothesis. Hypotheses are required both for collecting relevant fact and for explaining them. If a hypothesis is proposed merely for guiding investigation, it is called working hypothesis.